Hello traders and investors, welcome back to the Trend Trader channel. I know that in our last video we just spoke about an ETF. There were no charts, so today back to the charts. Today we are looking at cryptocurrencies. A few days ago on social media, on the Twitter account and the Facebook group, we posted a chart of Bitcoin. So on that chart, we highlighted that Bitcoin has traded from this previous support level and that it has pushed to this previous high of about 65,000 per coin. And then we noted that once it reached this level here, it started to show some signs of weakness. We saw that it pulled back a bit. So at this level, I had exited my Bitcoin position because I didn't want to hold Bitcoin, especially if it continued to fall back either to this about 52,000 region, or even worse, going back to about 40,000 region. But then from that, the plan was that I wanted to see the direction whether Bitcoin come back and to test these lower levels, or else eventually Bitcoin come back to break above this level. So as we see at this moment, the direction is still not clear. Bitcoin is still moving on the side. Remember, we don't do predictions. So for now, we don't have a position on Bitcoin because we are waiting for Bitcoin to either break above this level or else to come back and retest this level. Hopefully not break below this level, right? So the key thing to take from this is that you have to plan your trade beforehand and then wait for the market, see how the market behaves. And then once it moves to a particular point, a predetermined point, then you pull the trigger. So this is from the Bitcoin chart. Like I said, I currently don't have a position here because I'm still waiting for Bitcoin to come back and cross above this level. Then if it does cross above this level, then I will take a long position on Bitcoin. I do not short trade crypto. I do not short trade crypto. But now, based on this analysis, let's look at the chart of Ethereum because it was showing a similar pattern. As you see here, we saw that Ethereum pushed to test this previous high. But that was on the day where we saw that Bitcoin chart. Ethereum was at this level as well. So I also exited Ethereum because this was the previous support level that I was noting. So I waited to see if Ethereum is going to come back and retest this 2,800 per coin region. But now, as you see, Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, Ethereum. As you can see now, Ethereum is testing this level, trying to break above this resistance level here. Earlier today, we posted something on the Facebook group. Let me try to find that post there. So if you go to Facebook, you can see the name of the group, GSE Stock Traders and Investors. We currently have about 3,600 members. You can find that group there if you want to join. And request to join there. Make sure that you answer those questions because we use them to filter members that join. But I want to point you out on this post that we had today, just 7 hours ago. We said that Ethereum is going to be bullish above the 4420 region. So that's 4,420 US dollars region. Yeah, we said that we expect if it breaks above this level, then it's going to be bullish. So now when you look at the chart, it's currently at 4422. So it's already above this region. But the best thing to do is to wait for the closing price. Now the problem is it depends on where you are around the globe. Yeah, so to get that closing price, but anywhere above 4420, Ethereum is bullish. As we see right now, let me get a pen. As we see now, it's above this level. But what you need to keep in mind is that, yes, as much as breakouts happen, another thing that happens is fake out, whereby a stock or any security will break above the resistance level, and then you will be sucked in as you will be buying, wanting to catch the upward move, only to find out that the upward move fails and then the security comes back below the resistance level, and the worst case scenario is that it continues to trade low. So that's something that you have to keep in mind if you are watching for, or if you're looking for opportunities in breakout. But as things stand right now, Ethereum is trading at around, or it's just trading above 4,420, because now the price keeps on moving up and down. So as we said, above 4420, we are bullish on this. So we are looking to add a position there. And an ideal place for a stop loss is somewhere below this recent low. Well, you can set the stop loss wherever you want to set your stop loss, but for me, a rational stop loss is somewhere at this level. So that's about 3,000, just say 3,800. That's where I would want to have my stop loss there. So how far Bitcoin, Ethereum will go, nobody knows. We can't predict. We don't do predictions in this channel. We just follow the market. But if you look at this range here, this range where the Ethereum previously traded, we can expect that it will go up by the same amount. How long that is going to happen, nobody knows. We are not making projections that Ethereum will go to about 7,000 there. Yeah, we don't do predictions. But if security is trading within a range and it breaks above that range, typically it trades up or down by the same range volume. So now we will see if Ethereum can push and go all the way to about 7,000 there, or even 8,000. But like I said, we don't do predictions. We allow the market to behave the way that it wants to behave. But at this moment, we are going to take a long position with the stop here, and then we will see how high it's going to trade. We are just going to continue to trail the market without having any specific target. We're just going to ride this thing as long as it's moving up. So that's the trade that I'll be taking on cryptocurrency. It's this Ethereum USD. So I don't know which crypto you normally trade, but I'll trade Ethereum. That is based on US dollar. As you see, some of my stocks or some of the crypto like Dogecoin, it's in Bitcoin. So some people, they trade Dogecoin in US dollars, but this one, it's priced in Bitcoin. The charts don't necessarily look similar, but at the end of the day, it's still the same thing. And yeah, just a trade that we have there, a bit of an update. We have a position on Litecoin. As you can see, so far we are in the money by about $24.55 or so. The trade is still moving. We are not in a rush. As you can see, ever since we entered, it has never attempted to come. So we entered around this level. It has never came back to retest the red region. So we're just going to keep on holding Litecoin and see if it reaches our target price of $230 there. But we are happy with this position as it is. Let me see if we have another position. Okay, we don't have, oh, we also have a position on XRP. As you see, when we entered XRP, it has came to retest the entry level, but we're still holding there because it hasn't traded below this level. Our short-term target is still somewhere there. So yeah, we do hold a couple of cryptocurrencies in our portfolio, but it's all for trading purposes. Some people that understand cryptocurrencies better, they probably have their cryptos, they have their wallets, all those kinds of things. For us, it's just price action trading. We see an opportunity, low risk, reasonable reward. We take that position, we set a stop loss, and you see how the market performs. So that's just a quick analysis of the crypto. But the one that we really wanted to talk about today is Ethereum. Like we said, Ethereum is bullish above this 4420 region. So we don't know how far it's going to go, but right now we are ready to dive back in. So if you enjoyed this analysis, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also like this video so that next time when we do another video analysis, you don't miss out. Cheers. We'll see you on the next analysis.